How to update your bank account on Avant.com. First of all, open your browser and go to Avant.com. Log into your Avant account using your registered email address and password. Once you are logged in, you will land on your account dashboard. Look for the option labeled Settings or Account Settings, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, find and select Payment Method or Bank Information. This is where you can view and manage your current bank account details. Now click on the option to edit or update your bank account information. You will be asked to enter your new bank account number and routing number. Make sure all the details are correct to avoid any issues with your payments. After entering the updated bank details, review the information once again and then click on Save or Update Bank Account. You may be asked to verify your identity or confirm the change via email or text message. Complete the verification step if prompted. Once updated successfully, your new bank account will be linked to your Avant loan payments. Any future payments will now be deducted from this updated account. Now you know how to update your bank account on Avant.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.